Let's jump into our lab, exploiting an API endpoint using documentation. I will open my Burp suite professional. Click OK. It takes few time. Now temporary project. Hit next. Start Burp. It's out of date. Okay. Go in Proxy tab, then in HTTP history tab. As you can see, HTTP history is empty and no other browser is open. Click Open Browser. Chromium will open. It is a default browser for Burp suite. Now we will access the lab. And just copy the URL and paste into Chromium. Before hitting enter, you can see HTTP history is empty, and hit enter after pasting. This is our target website on which we want to test. As we scroll down, it looks like e-commerce website. Here our requests are captured. As we click on the resources, that much HTTP requests are generated in background. These all requests we can see in our Burp suite HTTP history tab. See this. Now create my account. We already have login credentials. Copy them and paste into their respective fields. And hit login. As you can see, we are in our account, the same username, and we can update this email ID. We can enter any random email ID to test. Now let's check this. Update email. Yes, we got it. We did this to generate API request. Search for the API keyword here. Yes, we got the API request captured here. Now right click and send to repeater. Send this request. Yes, we got a 200 OK success code. Now let's try to manipulate it with Carlos. Send it. We got a 400 bad request. once again by manipulating it. Again a bad request. It means a client side error. 400 requests are client error. Yes, we got a 302 found. Follow redirection. That's a 200 OK success code. Show response in browser. Copy. Paste the URL here. Show response. And we got a REST API. Our task is to delete this username, Carlos. Let's try to delete it. Here we will click delete and type the username Carlos and just send the request. Boom! We got a 200 OK status. It means user has been deleted. As you can see here. And hence we have solved our PortSwigger lab. And that's a wrap on today's hunt. API hold more secrets than you think, and knowing them how to exploit them ethically is what makes us better hunters.